Hi, myself Palani. I'm into consulting. So I availed Techno Tackle service recently for one of my clients. The brand name is Krishna Bhavan. They have more than 350 SKUs in the FMCG space. They distribute across 1,400 outlets in Tamil. They had three major problems. Problem one was the entire order taking system was completely manual. That is the rep goes into a store and they take order of all the 350 items and they call up the back-end person and call out the orders one by one, which is clearly a double work. So the number of stores they will be able to visit in a single day was significantly affected. So it resulted in a lot of productivity loss. The second problem was the return percentage was pretty high and the brand didn't have any visibility into the return percentage since the entire process was offline and completely manual. And the third problem was they didn't have any data in a structured way to have proper reviews. If a FMCG company needs to conduct reviews for the reps, they need to have a data, right? So it wasn't available. This was the third major problem. So using Techno Tackle service, we had developed a complete end-to-end order taking and management system which addressed all these problems. So the reps didn't have the dual work of taking the order and calling up the back-end support team and communicating it. Since it was a simple app, they were able to just note down the order and it got updated in the factory. And so it addressed all these three problems. It removed the manual process completely. They had proper visibility into the return percentage and they also had proper data in place so that they were able to conduct reviews. So definitely it was a huge benefit for them and it had tangible financial benefits. They were able to definitely save to the tune of around 25 to 40 lakhs on an annual basis with this. And one positive aspect that I felt about Techno Tackle was that the deep accountability that the project managers took. I had worked with a lot of software companies before. The problem was the attrition rate was very high. There were multiple KTs and the project manager wasn't having that much accountability. But throughout this project, I was working with a project manager called Balakrishnan. He had very deep accountability and he made sure the project got completed as per the quality expectations and the timelines. And most of the companies, they develop a ERP system, they develop an order taking system, but it's absolutely difficult to implement it. They also supported in the changes that came up in the implementation phase, which definitely led to a very good outcome for the client. So for anyone looking for a software company that takes deep accountability in terms of the management of the entire project, I definitely recommend Techno.